Hello everyone, welcome in this new video. In this video I'll be explaining and showing to you how you can add comments in a new document. This can be useful if you work in a group situation and for instance one of the teammates of your group is sick or works at home due to corona and you want to communicate some little mistakes in the document or in a report. So the first thing you want to do if you want to add a comment is press review. It's right over here in this little layer. Then press new comment, and as you can see it automatically goes to the last word of your first sentence. So we will quickly undo this, and what you want to do now is, for instance, this little piece of text is wrong, so you select it and then press on new comment. So now the comment goes about all of this text you selected, and you can do this for one little sentence as well. So if you find this little piece of text, for instance, annoying, you can add just your comment. So I find this piece really annoying, please change. So this is maybe a little harsh, but you can do it if you want to. So maybe you find this annoying, that there is two little lines. So one of them has this letters and you want to change this, for instance, in something else. So the person should change it because it's not your responsibility to make this part look nice. It's his, and you don't want to have a lot of work for it. So you just select it, new comment, and you say, please change this. It doesn't read nice and smooth. So now the person will see this document from you because you sent it to him or her. And if you are that person, you need to go to review as well. And you go through all the comments. So this is the first one, and I found this piece really annoying, please change it. So you can either accept or reject it, and in this case I think you will reject it because it is really harsh and you don't have to change it because it's just fine. So you press reject, then you go to the next one, please change this, it doesn't read nice and smooth. So what you do is maybe change it. So go to, I don't know, home, change it instead of letters to numbers instead of this. So let's do numbers. This is way better, I think. So now you go to review again, it's right over here, and now accept the change. And now press resolve. So now you accepted the change. You can also do it by this button. And now you have this left here. So your document is now perfectly fine. You can hand it in to your person who wants it. So now you can hand it in. And if you want to make this go away because it is really ugly in your document, you can click on the comment and then you can delete it just with this button over here. So delete it, and now everything is fine. You have a perfectly fine document. You can hand it in wherever you need to hand it in. In this case it might be the university, and that's it. So it's really easy, it's really fast, and yeah, it can save a lot of time. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching and have a great day.